Shah. I'm a makeup artist from Bombay and I've teamed up with the Wedding Brigade to bring you 3 super easy hairstyles that's perfect for your Mehendi ceremony. So let's not waste any more time, let's get right into the video. Part your hair in a side parting, whichever side you're more comfortable with, and grab a chunk of hair right at the top of your head near the parting. Now split that section into 2 halves, so you have one half on top and one half at the bottom, and simply switch the lower half with the upper half. Now add some new hair from the side of your face into the lower section and once again switch it with the top section. Keep doing this, adding new hair to the lower section and switching it to the top section until you reach your ears. So like I said, grab some new hair, add it to the lower section and switch it over onto the top section. Once you get it right above your ear, lay it flat against the back of your head and use some bobby pins to secure it into place. Place the bobby pins in a cross manner to give it a tight hold. Now release some of the hair from the back of your head so that it covers the bobby pin and just very lightly pull on the braid to give it more volume. And there you have it, that is your rope braid, super easy, done and dusted. The second hairstyle is basically an addition or a carryover from the first hairstyle. So obviously you can leave your hair open if you want, or you can put all your hair over to one side and use an elastic band to tie a ponytail near your neck. Now split the hair right above the elastic band till your fingers can come through and just overturn the entire ponytail into that hole that you've created. Tighten and pull on the ponytail and very loosely tug on the inverted section to give it more volume. And there you have it, a super easy low side ponytail with a rope braid. Hairstyle number 3 is even simpler and this is basically a side pin-up. So grab a section of hair on the smaller side of your parting and twist it away from your face. Once you've twisted it, start tugging on the twisted section to give it more volume. Once you're happy with how big the entire twist has become, place it against the back of your head and use bobby pins to secure it into place. Now you're going to do the same thing with another section of hair, only this time you're going to grab hair from near the bottom of your neck. So once again, grab the hair, twist it away from your face, tug on the twisted section to give it more volume and pin it using bobby pins. Now you can totally choose to leave it like that if you want, or you can choose to use a hair accessory like I did. I've used a rose clip just to add a little bit of drama. And there you have it, super simple. And there you have it, those are 3 super easy hairstyles that are perfect for a Mehendi ceremony. All you need are a few pins, an elastic bag and your fingers. So you're good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you give it a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe to the Wedding Brigade channel. And also follow me on Instagram on Blend by Niche. All details are going to be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.